नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटियाएं। माई सेल्फ जीवीएन डॉक्टर अर्चना वर्मा, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ होम्योपैथिक सर्जरी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ. Now today we are starting new topic, that is skin tag. Now skin tag या acrocoronodon. Acrocoronodon. The skin tag is common benign overgrowth of skin affected mainly the middle age and early age group of patient. The causes are unknown, sometimes familiar. Skin tag are most common in obese women and rarely are associated with tuberous sclerosis, acanthosis nigricans, or acromegaly and diabetic patient. Now presentation. Skin tag occur around the neck within the major flexors. They are soft, skin colored or pigmented, pedunculated papules. Treatment. Small lesion can be snipped off with the fine scissor, frozen with liquid nitrogen, or destroyed with a high fracture without local anesthesia. There is no way of preventing new one from developing. In this picture show the numerous axillary skin tags. These are the skin color and pendulated. And the nature of tags are soft. Now epidermoid and pillar cyst, often incorrectly called sebaceous cyst. These are common and can occur on scalp, face, behind the ear, on trunk. They often have a central pendulum. When they rupture or are squeezed, foul-smelling, cheesy material comes out. Treatment is by incisor or by excision or by incisor, followed by expression of contents and removal of cyst wall. Now milia. Milia are small subepidermal keratin cysts. They are common on the face in the all age group and appears as a teeny white matted sheet-like papules of 0.5 to 2 mm in diameter. They are occasionally seen at the site of previous subepidermal blister, that is in the dermolysis bullosa and profarious cutaneous tarda. The contents of milia can be picked out with the sterile needle or pointed scalp blade without local anesthesia. In this picture, the small pearly eruption on around the eyes. This is called the milia. Now, acetic keratosis. It discarded rough surface lesion group up on sun-damaged skin. Pre-malignant pathologically, there is a case for classify them as a squamous cell carcinoma in situ, but rare few progress to invention squamous cell carcinoma. Now causes. The effective of sun exposure are cumulative. Those with fair complexion living near the equator are most at risk. Melanin protect and actinic keratosis are not seen in black skin. Conversely, albinos are especially prone to develop them. Now presentation, they affect the middle age and earlier in sorry presentation the affect the middle age and ad- elderly in temperature climates but younger people in the tropics. They pink or gray rough scaling macus or papules sedulum skeet 1 centimeter in diameter. Their rough surface is sometimes better felt than seen. Now complication is transient to be invasive squamous cell carcinoma, although rare, should be suspected if the lesion enlarged, become nodular, ulcerated, or bleed. Luckily, such tumor seldom metastasize. Now, differential diagnosis. The differential diagnosis is seborrheic warts, viral warts, acanthoma, and intraepidural carcinoma or invasive squamous cell carcinoma. Now, investigation. A biopsy is needed if there is concern over invasive change. Now, treatment. Freezing with liquid nitrogen or carbon dioxide. Show snow. Shave remove the curettage is the best for large lesion and cutaneous honors. Multiple lesions include subclinical one can be treated within 5 fluorouracil cream. The healing is rapidly 3% sodium diclofenac photodynamic therapy can be given. So these are the treatment part of. Now this session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will be resolve it.